I, Peleus, the man on this holy mountain, take Thetis to wife, and hereby do ordain, for better or for worse, come wind or come the rain, a faithful husband I will remain, it is certain.
I, Thetis, the goddess on this holy mountain, I have heard there is a wedding today. Am I too late my humble respects to pay? I've a present brought with much care and thought for this lovely bride. If you should decide in a beauty test with each wedding guest, she's the loveliest.
What is that? What is that we see? Is this golden apple a prize for me? It's mine, it's bound to be.
It's clearly meant for me.
It's mine, I hate to brag.
You're a frightful hag.
I'm the wittiest.
You're the nittiest.
I'm the prettiest guest. The apple's mine, it's bound to be. Oh, can't you see? I'm so divine. Don't you agree? It's meant for me. It's mine.